Okay, so, hey, I had to restart this because I was making weird faces, like, really weird. I mean, like, I get embarrassed really easy, but I'm like a weird person. Some things embarrass me, some things don't. Some things, if people see it, that embarrasses me, I have to, like, talk to that person and be like, oh my god, no, don't. No, why is this lagging? Why are the lags like, no, what's wrong with this? This is lagging. No, what is it doing? No, come on, please don't lag on me. No. Oh my god, it keeps skipping 3 seconds. I'm watching the thing and it's like, no, come on, please don't lag on me. Elly is boss. So in case this girl feels like, I'm not gonna say it, she wants to give me a gift, I will make sure I will give her something priceless too. No, why is this lagging? Oh wait, it's not lagging anymore. Okay. Ellie's boss. She has a goldie. And she also... Oh, a goldie. What's this? I'm sharing this. I'm totally sharing this. Totally. I promise you when I get... No. No way. No. Wait. Okay. This is lying. I'm sharing to everybody now. I don't care if it's someone I don't like. I'm just sharing with everybody because this girl deserves to be heard. I got a gift. I don't know if it's a goldie, but if it is, oh my god. Okay. Great look. If she still has it, then that means she can bring it to me. But if she doesn't have it, so then that means she didn't see me. That means I'm a lucky girl. I'm a really, really lucky girl. She's really pretty. No way. My goldie is gone. Oh my god, I got a golden. I think that that's stuck. But if you don't want me to send it to you, I won't send it to you, okay? You don't gotta get all mad at me. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Sorry. Sorry then. Like, bruh, I just added you. Just like, thank you so much. It's okay. Okay, don't bother me then. If it's okay, then, like, want me to say sorry for sending you an art book? If you don't want to see the art book, don't look at it. If If you don't like it, then don't like it. Like, don't love it. Like, bruh, it's that easy. Like, just leave me alone. Sorry if there's, like, a lot of... It's only because I'm moving the camera. I need to, like, adjust everything. Okay. Whoops. Wait, let me pause this while Okay. I adjusted it. I think I might... Which one? I might... What was I gonna say? I might... What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, my next video might be opening gifts. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I at least want 12 gifts. People, please gift me. Looks of me. Thank you so much. Elia's boss. Well, I'm gonna just put this and recording 3, enter. Okay, my next video, I'm gonna be putting if I actually got a goldie. If I did, oh my god, that just turned my whole day. Like, in the video that I deleted. I mean, like, I never posted it. Because I restarted it. I said at the beginning of this video. Because I was making weird faces. But I had a really long day today. My day wasn't too great. People are messing with my feelings. Not too good. Like, for a girl like me. Like, I'm really fragile. I don't know why people say it like that. I'm just saying it because it just sounds really cool. But I'm really fragile. And, well, my heart is. So, like, breaking my heart. I cry a lot. Like, if you can't see, I have, like, a whole bunch of makeup. Well, I should. But I have, like, makeup here. Oh my god. Hair and dress giveaway. Oh my god, I like this. I want either number 5 or number 9. 5 or 9. Five or 9. Please. Give me that 30 likes. Okay. 1, 2, 90. Okay, 1, 2. I gotta. Oh, it's down here. I wonder if elly is boss blocked me. Okay, good. She didn't. I don't want to lose a friend like her. I really don't. We're 18. Or 18. Just saying. I only said this because of the hairs. I really don't care about the dress. I just like the hairs. Like, I think she should have put this here, right there, right there. She should have put this with this with, You know what? I don't even want to say it. I think these are perfect together. No, these are perfect together. These are perfect. These are perfect. Look, you can see that the colors here match. That these two colors match. Kind of. And then these two colors match. Kind of. That's a kind of. That's, like, definitely. And I think these should be then together. And then those. I don't know. I don't want to do this. Enough to buy a whip. It's like a trade. I'm not doing that. Wait, wow. I got more money than her, I think. I got more money than her. Oh, she's on mobile. I feel bad. Sometimes I wish that people would, like, not be helped. I wish mobile was, I wish there was no such thing as being on mobile and that you have to always be like that. But if I was on level, if I was on laptop all this time, I would have earned so much more fame. Like, a lot more fame. But guess what? I didn't. And I mixed up my wishes again. I did it again. And then I have like 11K autos. Like the fame autos. Okay, I at least want to get rid of 40K. 40K. Because I really want to be on level 18 already. It's like, hurry up. I remember when I had just gotten on level 17. Which was like days ago. But then it was like a month ago. This right here, I have to be on level 23 to be if I'm non-VIP, to have this many friends. Because I cannot be having this many friends. I need to like clear out everything. Clear out my friends. I wish they would do a thing like on Snapchat, I think, where like all the users that haven't been used, like people haven't been logged in, and then they're gonna end up getting deleted. I got a scar here from my best friend. She ended up scratching me, trying to compare my hair with her hair. She's like, oh my god, look. She's like, she was playing with her hair, and she's like, oh my god, where did this hair come from? Like, she found it on the desk in history class. And like, that's your hair, not my hair. My hair don't look like that. And it was like really curly, and it was like just a little strand like this. And she's like, here, look. And I'm like, girl. And I'm like, so then she goes and she tries putting it on my face, and she has nails. So it went like this, and it went into my skin, and it scratched me. So now I have this on my face. I'm running out of time. So I guess goodbye, everybody. Bye. I just realized I have a 3-minute pose, so